Hello everyone. Today let us discuss about harmonic progression. In mathematics, a harmonic progression or harmonic sequence is a progression formed by taking the reciprocals of an arithmetic progression. Equivalently, a sequence is a harmonic progression when each term is a harmonic mean of the neighboring terms. In a triangle, if the altitudes are in arithmetic progression, then the sides are in harmonic progression. The leaning tower of Lyre, which is also called the infinite offset paradox, is an example of harmonic progression. It is a name given by the American Journal of Physics to a 200-year-old problem that entertained physics students. That is, Uh, imagine if there is a supply of books of equal height and weight. You stack them into a leaning tower, each book offset slightly hanging over the edge of a table. Soon you have quite the overhang going. You wonder how far can you go until the tower collapses. The answer is forever. In a leaning tower of Lyre, the blocks or books are arranged or stacked 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1 by 6 distance sideways below the original block. This ensures that the center of gravity is just at the center of the structure so that it does not collapse. So, leaning tower of Lyre is treated as an excellent example of harmonic progression. This is a pictorial representation of leaning tower of Lyre. Let us look into an example. Here there is a sequence which is in arithmetic progression, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. And the first term is 1 and the common difference is 1. That is 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 1 is 3. Like that the progression is progressing. Now if we take the reciprocal of this particular arithmetic progression, that is reciprocal of 1 is 1 by 1, that is 1. Reciprocal of 2 is 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4, etc. The progression which is formed using the reciprocals of an arithmetic progression gives us the harmonic progression. So the general form of a harmonic progression is 1 by a, 1 by a plus d, 1 by a plus 2d, etc., which goes up to 1 by a plus n minus 1 into d. Now let us look into the nth term of a harmonic progression. We have already discussed that a harmonic progression is formed using the reciprocal of elements in an arithmetic progression. So from that itself, it is clear that the nth term of a harmonic progression will be equal to 1 by nth term of the corresponding arithmetic progression, or nth term of the harmonic progression Tn or An is given from the formula, or it can be calculated using the formula 1 by a plus n minus 1 into d. We have already seen that a plus n minus 1 into d is the formula to find out nth term of a arithmetic progression. So if we take the reciprocal of this formula, we will get the formula for finding the nth term of a harmonic progression. So nth term of a harmonic progression an or Tn is equal to 1 by a plus n minus 1 into d. Now let us discuss about the sum of n terms of a harmonic progression. If 1 by a, 1 by a plus d, 1 by a plus 2d, etc. gives a harmonic progression, the formula to find the sum of n terms is given by the formula Sn is equal to 1 by din 2a plus 2n minus 1 into d divided by 2a minus d. Here a is the first term of the AP, d is the common difference of AP, and in means the natural logarithm. So we can find the sum of n terms of harmonic progression using this particular formula. Now let us see some important points related to harmonic progression. The first one is, unless a is equal to 1 and n is equal to 1, the sum of a harmonic series will never be an integer. The second one is, three consecutive numbers of a harmonic progression can be taken as 1 by a minus d, 1 by a, 1 by a plus d. If there are four consecutive numbers of a harmonic series, then it can be written as 1 by a minus 3d, 1 by a minus d, 1 by a plus d, 1 by a plus 3d, etc. Now let us discuss what is harmonic mean and how it is calculated. Harmonic mean is represented as HM. So harmonic mean is a type of numerical average which is calculated by dividing the number of observations by the reciprocal of each number in a series. If three numbers or three terms A, B, C are in harmonic progression, then 1 by A, 1 by B and 1 by C form an arithmetic progression. Therefore, harmonic mean is calculated using the formula 2 by B is equal to 1 by A plus 1 by C. That is, B is equal to 2AC divided by A plus C. Further, if AM, GM and HM are respectively the arithmetic, geometric and harmonic means, then AM is greater than GM greater than HM. Also, the product of arithmetic mean and harmonic mean is equal to the square of geometric mean. That is, AM into HM is equal to GM square, which means that AM, GM, HM or arithmetic mean, geometric mean and harmonic mean are in geometric progression. That is why the middle term, that is GM square, is equal to first term multiplied by third term, which is how we find the geometric mean in case of a geometric progression. So we can say that since AM into HM is equal to GM square, AM, HM and GM are in geometric progression. The first term of that geometric progression is arithmetic mean, second term is geometric mean, and the third term is harmonic mean. This is some properties related to AM, GM and HM. Also, if A, B, C are in harmonic progression, then A divided by C is equal to A minus B divided by B minus C. If A, B, C are in arithmetic progression, then A divided by A is equal to A minus B divided by B minus C. Also, if A, B, C are in geometric progression, then A divided by B is equal to A minus B divided by B minus C. These are the certain formulas or facts which are related to HP, AP and GP. So in this particular video, we have discussed about harmonic progression, which is shortly known as HP. We have seen the meaning of harmonic progression and uh, how it is used generally in physics, mathematics, etc. Also, we have seen how to find out the nth term of a harmonic progression as well as sum of n terms. Also, we have discussed about harmonic mean, the relationship between arithmetic mean, harmonic mean and geometric mean, as well as certain facts and realities related to harmonic progression. I hope you are all clear about what we have discussed in this video. Thank you.